I warmly welcome you all to the new academic year into the digital world. Yes, we are going to explore the education world through online classes. I know that you children are very much talented to learn new things in technology, and I hope these online classes are going to be the right platform now to excel yourself. Come, children, join with me to explore the world. My heartiest wishes to you all. Stay safe, stay alone, and always maintain social distancing. Before entering into our new academic year, let us close our eyes and pray to God. Let us close our eyes, children. Thank you, children. Now, mathematics. I am your mathematics teacher, and my name is Sivashankari. Before I started taking class, please have a separate rough note for max to note down some points which will be useful for you to go through. So, have a separate rough note. Okay, children? Yes. Shall we move on to the class, children? Yes, we will move on to our class. Now, Unit 1, Geometry. That is your first lesson, first unit we are going to learn. Under geometry, we have four topics. The first one is 2D and 3D shapes, rotation, symmetry, and introduction of angles. These are the four topics under geometry you have. Now, today, we are going to learn in detail about 2D and 3D shapes. First, we will learn about 2D and 3D shapes explanation. 2D shapes. Any shape that can be laid on a flat surface is a 2D shape. That means made of papers. The shapes which is made on a flat surface, that is a thin paper. These are all some examples: circle, triangle, square, and rectangle. So these are the examples for 2D shapes. Any shape that can be laid on a flat surface is a 2D shape or two-dimensional shape. The D stands for dimensional. Next, we will move on to 3D shapes. 3D shapes are solid objects that have three dimensions. These dimensions are length, width, and height. Examples of 3D shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, and cylinder. I'll repeat once again. 3D shapes are solid objects that have three dimensions. These dimensions are length, width, and height. The examples of each shapes we will be seeing in the further class. Okay. Now let us move on to the properties of 3D shapes. Before we look at the shapes, let's look at the words relating to 3D shapes. The arrow mark denotes the each things. We use the word face to describe a flat surface of a 3D shape. So that is the face to describe a flat surface. And now this denotes, we use the word edge to describe a side of a 3D shape where two faces of the solid figure meet. So that is the edge. We use the word vertex or vertices to describe the point where the edges of a solid figure meet. So that is the vertex. When all the vertex together, it is called as a vertices. Now next move on to the properties of 3D shapes under that cube. First let us see about the cube. It has 6 faces. So these are the faces, and next it has 12 edges and 8 vertices. In cube all the sides are equal. The objects that are cube include, that means the examples of the cube are dice, Rubik's box and building blocks. So these are all some objects. Next we will see about cuboid. It has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Its opposite sides are equal. Objects that are cuboids include some examples for cuboids: cereal boxes, books, and bricks. So these are all some examples. Next, let us see about cylinder. In cylinder, the height is the distance between two faces. Actually, in cylinder, it has 3 faces and 2 edges and 0 vertices. Objects that include cylinders are, some examples for cylinders are cut pillow sweep and jam jar. So these are all some examples for cylinder. Next we'll see about sphere. It is a closed curved surface and it has no vertices and no edges. It has only one face. Zero vertices and zero edges. It is a closed curved surface. Some objects for sphere includes, and for sphere there are some examples: ball, bubbles and orange. These are all some examples for sphere. Next, the last one we will see about the cone. Cone, it has a base of a cone is circular. The height and the slant height are not equal. It has 2 faces and 1 edges and 1 vertex. Objects that are cone include ice cream cone, traffic cone and party wear cone. So these are all some examples of cone. Children, now you have learned about 2D and 3D shapes in detail. Now take out your rough note and take down this definition for 2D and 3D shapes. Have you taken your notebook, children? Shall we start? Yes. Shall we start, children? Write the heading. Unit 1, Geometry. Under that, 2D shapes. Now write any shape that can be laid on a flat surface is a 2D shape. Examples of 2D shapes: circle. You draw a circle, or just you write, no need to draw the diagram, just you write examples of 2D shapes: circle, triangle, square and rectangle. Just you write the names alone, you need not draw. Circle, triangle, square and rectangle. Next we will move on to 3D shapes. 3D shapes are solid objects that have 3 dimensions. These dimensions are length, width and height. Examples of 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Examples of 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Now let us move on to your exercise 1.1. Children, this is your first exercise, and Roman letter 1, match the following. First one, ball. So ball is in what shape actually? See, the match is given in the right hand side, left hand side is the diagram. The objects are shown. You have to match the correct shapes. Okay. The first one is the ball. What did I say? The ball, which example? Spherical. That is sphere shape. So the straight to sphere, you just mark 1. You draw a ball and you write sphere. I have marked the answers also. The next one is it's look like a pen stand. So it's in a cylindrical shape. Next is a dice. So dice is a cube. Next one, fourth one is traffic cone. So it is a cone shape. It is a table. It's look like a cuboid shape. So the match the following, you just draw and write the answers. And if you want, you can number that. The first one is 5, 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay. Next we will move on to true or false. Find true or false. First one, cube is covered by 6 squares. That is 6 faces. What is the face? It's a flat surface. Yes, it is true or false? Yes, it is true. Cube is covered by 6 squares. True. Question number 2. The height and the slant height of the cone are equal. Already I said to you, the height and the slant height of the cone are not equal. So now the answer is false. Cuboid has 7 vertices. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? How many vertices it has? 8 vertices. But they had given 7 vertices. So the answer is false. Okay, children? Take down please. The cuboid has 7 vertices. False. Next question, fourth one. Two bases lie in upper and lower surface of a cylinder. Yes, of course. Already I taught you the cylinder has two bases, upper and the lower. So it is true. Now the last one is sphere is a 3D shape. Yes, of course it is a 3D shape. So the answer is true. Have you all copied this, children? Yes. You please in the rough note, you note down the 2D and 3D shapes definitions and exercise 1.1, the match the following and true or false. So in the next class, we will see about the symmetry and the other topics. Okay, children. So until then, bye bye.